how to play sound effects on Discord. Now the first thing you need to do is open up Discord and go to the Discord server that you want to play the sound effects in. And then you want to join a voice channel, so for example this one, because this will only work inside voice channels. Now once you're in, you can basically click on this button right here which says open soundboard, and from here you can basically play sound effects, your favorite ones or the ones that are provided by this Discord server or the default Discord sounds right here. And you can also use the search box at the top here to search for specific sound effects. And this way is basically allows you to play sound effects from Discord or provided by Discord servers. And the second way to do this is via using a software called VoiceMod. So you want to basically first open up your browser and then just search for VoiceMod. Click on the first link and make sure to download and install this free software, which will require you to sign in with an email, and then just the downloader will start. Now you want to open up the installer and start installing the software, and just follow the instructions to install it by pressing next and then accepting the terms, and press next again, and then just launch the VoiceMod. Now once you open the VoiceMod application, it will ask you to confirm your login or sign in via the browser. And once you do that, you should be able to start using it. Now you can go to the soundboards category, and from here you should be able to play sound effects through your mic. And you can use this button here to turn on or off the sound changer. And you can bound specific keys to play specific sound effects or add your own from here by clicking the plus button to add your own sound effects. And to start using this with Discord, you want to go back to Discord, click on user settings, and then scroll down and click on voice and video category. Now, and in here, make sure that your input device is set to microphone voice mode virtual audio device, which is the default one, or this one right here. It's pretty much the same. And then you can close out of this window and basically play sound effects from the program or by pressing keys, and this should play it directly to the voice chat on Discord and everybody can hear it. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.